How you doing? And thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings. Remember, we're your #1 source for construction and emergency safety and strobe lighting equipment for cars, vans, bicycles, tricycles, buses, SUVs, trucks, and wood chippers. So what we're looking at here is a nice wood chipper for a good client of ours. What he wanted was some warning. What he got was a 4-head Wicked slick stick in the back right there. That's our 4-head version. Comes in amber white from the factory. You can select amber flashing. You can select white flashing. You can select a combination of amber or white flashing like what you see here. And you can also turn it on flood mode, just like you see there. Not a whole heck of a lot to kit for this particular build. We've got our 4-head Wicked slick stick on the back. We also added one half of a cube light set on the front, just a single cube light in the front. You can see that cube light right up front there. That's right on the point of the trailer, pretty much midship, and it's pointing straight forward just to go into the box, into the chip box, so when it gets a little bit dark in the early mornings and the early evenings, they can see inside the box so they don't overflow it. So we got a single light right there in the front. We've got the flood mode and flash mode, Wicked slick stick 4-head in the back. And we didn't really have a proper placement for the switches, but we went here in this factory panel where you can turn it on and monitor the engine and everything. And what we've got is our single push button switches right here that just turn on the lighting. We've got the rear flashing, the rear flood, and the box flood, which is the little light in the front. And we've got a pattern switch right here, and pardon the fresh white paint. This chipper recently came back from the paint shop. So you can see she's all pretty and white and ready for decals, ready to go to work. So I don't know. I think I'm going to try this sucker out. I'm going to shove a couch in there or something and see what happens. So thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. I hope to see you on the next video. And I guess when I say that we're your source for lighting for a number of things and pretty much anything, including wood chippers now. So bring us something unique. Try to beat lighting up a wood chipper, and we'll do your project. Talk to you soon. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching Wicked Warnings.